Hey guys, I'm Devlog, bringing you back with another devlog for the game that still has no name. This week, I've worked on a couple of new things, and I think you'll enjoy this one. These devlogs do take a lot of effort, so a like, subscribe, or even a comment is greatly appreciated. Just a quick question, what other type of content would you guys like to see apart from devlogs? Leave some suggestions down below. Let's get straight into things. This week, I started on making the dash ability, since previously the game did feel quite slow at times, and a simple dash would speed things up. The game definitely feels much more fun to play now, and I think a dash will be beneficial in the long run. It was quite easy to implement and didn't take me too long, yet I did spend a while tweaking the values of it to make it fit perfectly into the game. Sadly, I did waste a lot of time this week on features in the game that I ended up just removing. I worked a while on making a particle effect for the dash, which to be honest, was terrible. I've never really taken the time to properly learn particle effects, so I will definitely have a video dedicated to that and me polishing the game. So far, everything isn't in its final state and a lot of polish is needed, and that will mostly come later. I also played around with the animator to make an animation for the player dashing. It wasn't working completely how I wanted it to, so I later just scrapped it. I will implement a player dash animation either through code or retrying with animation. I just ran out of time for this video. After learning about post-processing, I wanted to add it into my game, so I began testing with a few different effects. And with that, I'm done! On a serious note, the game does look a lot better now, and feels much more satisfying in general. Here's a before and after.
Wow!
In most games, there is at least a health system of some sort, and for my game, it's pretty much a requirement, so I got to work adding it. Surprisingly, it was much simpler than I thought, and it only required a few lines of code. For now, it's completely functional, and looks just fine, but I may be changing it in the future. After playing the game and messing around for a while, I realised the dash was a bit overpowered and needed some kind of cooldown. I eventually came up with the idea of an energy system, and I think it's extremely expandable. Every time you dash, your energy goes down by a certain amount, and when your energy is 0, the dash no longer works. This is the same concept as the health bar, with just a few alterations, and I think it works great. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying these devlogs as much as I have, and suggestions down below are always welcome. Stay tuned for next week's devlogs where we work on a few more things. I hope you guys stay safe, and thanks for watching.